So the good old diesel engine that's reliable and ever, it'll last you for years and years and years, but you got to look after it. A couple of things to think about when you're looking after your diesel engine. Never really run it more than about half its maximum RPM. So if it's it's got 5,000 on the dial, run it at about 2,500. Another good trick to figure out between the combination of your diesel and your propeller is what is your cruising speed. So I always think a cruising speed for a boat like this is about 6.5 knots, perfect cruising speed. So one of the things I will do, I'll look at my speed over ground, and right now, look, I'm varying around 6.4, 6.5. So setting my RPM to about 2,500 not only gives me great diesel life, it's the maximum efficiency for the engine, and it's a nice cruise.